Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P through the eyes of emini day trader for Thursday, September the 16th, 2010. What we're looking at here, as always, is the market profile. So this is what occurred today and this is what occurred yesterday. The one in the middle here is what occurred in the overnight or Globex session. So the red arrows point to the trading sessions, regular trading hours Eastern Time from 9:30 a.m. to 4:15 p.m. So going into the overnight session yesterday, we had 14 as our support. So you can see that in the overnight trade, hit it basically right on, and just a little bit of a dip, slight dip, about a point below it in the regular trading hours, and then continued in the up auction with a nice move higher, in particular at the end of the day. So things just keep rolling along here within the context of this intraday up auction very nicely. We also like to use these market profiles from the regular trading hours as well in our analysis. So you can see here on our software we had several indications of long trades today. Actually, that's the only indications that we had today. So let's just go through all the ones that I've just circled. This first trade here wasn't actually entered till here, and it did move a point and 3/4, so it hit our first two objectives, and so that was a nicely profitable trade. So that was our first trade. Then we had two trades down here off of this one and then this arrow here. The second trade of the day, we were stopped out on that trade. So we did lose 5 ticks on that trade, but the third trade worked out very nicely as the market had a good bounce from there, rallying 3 points off of our entry in through here. So a nice trade off of that one. This particular trade down here we didn't take, and we have a rule that if our trigger bar is not activated within 5 minutes of its formation, then we don't take the trade. And that's what happened in this case. Now, our more aggressive traders would have gotten long right in here and obviously been able to participate in a nice up move there of some 3 points or so. But that's one of our rules, and sometimes it works for us and sometimes it does not. It did not this time, but just the same, it was good to see the market come down. You can see this great, this pretty large area here, this the light green patch there, that rectangular area I just highlighted. This is an area, once it's formed, we expect anywhere in this area to act as support. And I think you've seen them before, but if the market can hold above it, once the market holds above it, it's usually good to go. You can see it didn't hold above it until in this time frame here. So once it did that, then it was good to go, and it had the nice trade. As a matter of fact, that was our what turned out to be our fourth trade of the day right here, able to get long here and participate in a nice move there. So this fourth trade here that said it, we didn't actually take that for the reason that I just stated. But you can see the market, whenever it came down in here during this time, it kept getting rejected and kept giving us these long trades. So it was just a question of time, really, until that support around the 14 area, which we anticipated. Here's 14 here. So you can see it didn't get much below it here when the news was released. And then these other couple of tests right in here, just barely below it there and a little bit more below it here, really did support the market. And then, of course, eventually just had a really nice move, and then hitting up to 24 in the overnight session. So looking probably now around 18 as support, possibly maybe even on back down to 14, but 18 looks like support. Next target up is around 30, 29 to 30 area. So that's what we're really looking at in the market going forward. So any questions or comments are always welcome. Just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader, or give us a call. Our phone number's on the website. So hope you had a good day of trading. I hope you have another good one tomorrow. If you didn't have a good day today, I hope you have a good one tomorrow. Anyway, that'll be it for today. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.